Hey guys, today we're going to be making Forky, but make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. And now let's get started. So we have our sport. You'll need a spork, even though it's or you can just get a spoon and put spikes in it. And a wee eyeball and a big eyeball. Arms, pipe cleaner, legs, and last but not least, modelling clay. So let's get started. To make Forky with, we will need arms, but we're going to be doing that after. First, we're going to be doing the modelling clay. We have our bit of modelling clay, and we're just going to stick Forky down in it. Look. But we need a little bit more. So look just like for now. As you can see, this is how it should look like so far. So we're going to be take him and putting his legs on. Apply that there. There's one leg. And the other leg. Now he should stand properly. Yep. So you should stand. And then we're going to be doing the arms. There's him so far. Now we need to glue on the eyes. Now first we need a glue gun. As you can see, there's a glue gun. Okay, this is Forky, and all we need now is the eyebrows and the mouth, which we're going to be using the modelling clay again. Oh. That this doesn't have to be the exact same, but you can make the eyebrows out of red clay. I just did it to show you how it should look like. Eyebrows for the red clay and blue clay for the mouth. It should look exactly how the mouth looks, or any other expression he does. So we coloured Forky in. If you don't have the red modelling clay for his eyebrows and the mouth. So that's for today's video. Bye!